Well, service learning was incorporated into the Cyclone Scholar program in order to expose the students not only to our objectives of food safety, food security, and the childhood obesity aspect, but to also to give them the opportunity to be involved in the community and see it on that side of things, to really have that interdisciplinary approach to the program. So not only are we wanting them to get the experience on the research side of things, but coming up as the next generation of researchers, we want them to see all the way from the farm to the table how they can make an impact in this field.
We helped a local farmer sort of weed some of his pepper plants and then plant others in spots where they were devoid of pepper plants. It felt good to help out, especially with such a big field, and kind of as he took us along, it made me realize how big his field was, because I've never been on a farm, even though I like gardening and things like that, but that's very small scale compared to that.
I worked the bingo station. It was actually nutrition bingo though, so the tiles had different vegetables or fruits on them, and then what we read were just facts about it. And it was just, for me personally too, I felt like I learned a lot doing that, and also it was very fun interacting with the high school kids, being able to talk about the foods on there.
It's important to take part in these service learning projects because this is how I reach out to the community. I never knew that I could go into food science or go into nutrition until I was already in high school, when people are looking at colleges and already kind of have their track for life planned out, or at least an idea of it. So I think it's cool from that point of view, and also because it allows us to give back and have influence over the next generation and the people who could do amazing things in their future.